Hi everyone, this is Galo from Outline Planner, and I have created this video to show you what's inside the 2021 digital planner, but also to answer quite a few of the most frequent questions I received throughout these last 2 years. Although the planner can be used for iPad and Android tablets, I usually promote it as an iPad digital planner. The reason why I'm doing this is that in order for this planner to work, you will need a note-taking app installed on your tablet. For iPad, you have 3 options available on the market, and all of them work beautifully. So if you're using an iPad, you can install on your tablet GoodNotes 5, Noteshelf, or Notability and start taking digital notes. However, if you're using an Android tablet, or even more if you're using a Microsoft tablet, the options you have in terms of PDF markup apps are quite limited. So what I suggest is you to check Xodo PDF maybe, or OneNote. However, this planner, it's not really as good for OneNote as it is for Noteshelf, GoodNotes 5 or Notability. Since this planner is designed for iPad, I don't suggest you to use it on your iPhone or other mobile devices, because the page will look quite small on your mobile phone, so you won't see what's written on the pages. So I don't recommend to do that. However, you can sync across devices. So for example, if you're having an iPad, an iPhone, and a MacBook, you can sync across these devices using iCloud and GoodNotes, of course, because GoodNotes is the only app I use and recommend who syncs between those 3 devices. However, if you only need to sync between iPad and iPhone, then I suggest you to use Noteshelf or Notability, because these are also good. But you can't really write on your iPhone because the screen is so small, so I don't suggest that. I might create other planners in the future just for iPhone, but that's something on a second plan. So what apps should you start using when you're going to take digital notes? So the first on the line that I always suggest is Noteshelf. Now it's up to you to test both Noteshelf, GoodNotes 5 and Notability. I found that over the last 2 years, Noteshelf behaved very beautifully. The interface is so much user-friendly. I'm using Noteshelf right now. You can see the top navigation here with the pens and basic tools that help me get started straight away without the need to tap a lot of buttons or find ways to do the job. So I suggest you to start with Noteshelf, but then again, you can also test GoodNotes 5 and Notability.